If you're a manufacturer looking to grow in the pool and spa industry, you've got two choices. Build your own sales force or tap into one that already exists. That's where rep firms come in. So what is a manufacturer's rep?
A rep is an independent sales partner that is primarily commission-based. They represent your brand and your product to wholesale customers like builders, dealers, and distributors. A rep firm is a team of experienced pros who already know your region and your customer base. They don't carry inventory, they don't buy your products and mark it up. They simply sell the idea of the product on your behalf. The customer either buys it from a distributor or through you directly.
We'll educate and train the market while protecting your brand and reputation from competitors. Customers will typically be more candid with your infield rep, so we get an opportunity to solve problems before you even know there is a problem.
When done correctly, this is one of the best value propositions out there. People don't always think about the hidden cost of hiring a single sales team member. We're talking salary, benefits, company car.
Travel costs, insurance, and taxes that often get forgotten.
And on average, an employee costs 30% more than their salary before even accounting for travel expenses.
Why rep firms make financial sense? It can take 6 to 7 months to get a factory rep up to speed, which means for months you're spending without seeing performance. There's a cost in hiring, onboarding, and training before you even see ROI.
With a rep firm, you gain immediate access to in-market professionals already selling to your ideal customer. You scale faster with less overhead.
Clearing up common misconceptions. A rep doesn't spend 100% of time on my brand. Yeah, that's actually a good thing. A factory rep might only have one product to pitch. If the customer isn't interested, the conversation ends. A rep firm with multiple lines is more likely to get in the door. And once they're in, they can plant the seed for your line, uncover pain points, and build interest over time.
Once in a distribution, I'm good. Getting into distribution is just step one. If your product isn't understood or supported at the counter, it won't move. Just because a distributor stocks a product doesn't mean that product's going to sell or be supported.
Counter folks only sell what they know. And reps not only go out into the territory and push sales to the distributor, but they also do counter days and lunch and learns at the branch locations to educate not only the teams in the branch, but also the customers who come in. Reps keep it alive, educate the buyers, and bring feedback from the field. A note on the hybrid model.
Some of the most successful manufacturers actually combine the power of a rep firm with the internal factory rep who helps coordinate strategy across territories. Internal regional managers don't replace reps, they enhance them. Rep firms handle the field, internal teams set the strategy, providing training, support within the field, and grow the territory together. This isn't about overlapping efforts, it's about amplifying them.
Your factory rep becomes the point person. They keep the brand consistent, help reps get trained faster, support key accounts, and ensure every rep group has what they need to win. On the ground, the rep firm brings deep relationships, local know-how, and daily coverage. So that combination builds traction faster than either could do alone.
Powell Lighting is a great example. They have a director of sales and marketing, a regional manager, and district managers in major markets like Florida. Their team works hand in hand with the rep firms, doing ride-alongs, helping with training, and staying visible in the field. Turnover can be very high in our industry, so this can help mitigate the risk of the manufacturer.
Choosing the right rep partner. Choosing the right rep firm for your specific product line matters. Before you sign with a group, ask, do the products they already represent have synergy with yours? Do they already call in your ideal customer? And are they passionate and knowledgeable about your product type?
That synergy matters. It determines who they're calling on and whether your product will feel like a natural fit. Rep groups of the future won't just sell, they'll help improve your marketing and education.
They'll attend trade shows and events relevant to your audience.
Plug into communities like Pool Nation and Talking Pool Podcast.
And help create sticky systems by pairing your product with others as a bundled solution.
There are a lot of great groups out there, so make sure you do your homework.
The business case.
Compare the cost of a W-2 sales employee, $75,000 salary, plus hidden costs, plus travel, and according to Mana, you're looking at $160K before they're even ramped. Sales agencies are like fractional marketing agencies. You get an expert who already knows the territory, already built trust, and brings that to your brand. You're tapping into a proven team instead of building one from scratch.
Final thought. A rep group is more than a sales arm. It's a growth engine. It helps you scale faster, smarter, and with lower risk.
If you're serious about growth, don't just build a sales team, plug into one that already exists, is already performant, and is already aligned with the kind of customers you're trying to reach.